Hello again. I've been progressing quite well on the Mini, but I thought I'd better do an update for you. I've managed to get all the engine bay primered and painted and lacquered. Got some of the wiring loom back through the bulkhead. I've sanded all the paint off the front wings and the front panel. I've stripped all the seats and interior out. I've got the pedal box mended because 3 of the studs had broken off that, so I had to cut them off and weld some set screws in. But we're getting on really well. I'll do a quick wander around with you to show you what I've done. Right, here we go. The wings stripped, front panel stripped. I'll have to get some filler in the repair here, but while I was sanding off, we found another hole, so that'll have to be cut out, a new piece welded in. I'll say the engine bay's all painted, and I've managed to get the loom threaded back with all the wiring. I'll say the last Mini I didn't have anything as much as this at all, just wiring for the headlights, starter, alternator, oil light switch, coil, and that was about it. But this has got so many sensors, relays, ECU. The steering rack I've had off, fitted new gaiters to that. I say this are the same. We can get some filler in that repair there. Now I have discovered that there's a bit of a problem with the A panel. Got a little hole there, and I say all the corrosion's caused by having a section spot welded at the back for the lip, because the wheel arch was cut out to accommodate the 13-inch wheels, so a bit more there to do. I say the insides, I've taken all the seats out because they're a nice white leather. I didn't want to spoil them, and I can get the steering rack put back, steering column rather, put back, because I've repaired the bolts on the pedal box, 3 of them which were broken, so I've had to cut those off, and I've had the pedal box out and cut those off and weld some new studs in. So that's where we are at the moment. All the new bushes have arrived for the subframe, suspension bushes, mounting bushes, etc., because I've got to get it back on the wheels for the beginning of March. I've got a welding workshop in the garage, so everything's got to be cleared out to accommodate 12 people that are coming to have welding lessons, MIG, TIG, arc, spot, brazing. Also, someone's coming to demonstrate lead loading, which should be interesting. So that's where we are at the moment. Thank you very much.